told her that the show she was in would no longer be called Porgy.
Yeah.
Had literally put to bed in Porgy and Bear. There was still one thing she wanted, though, and after much
Well, Birdie.
got it.
Yes.
Sung by another character called Summer.
Oh, Garuda. You're so cute. You're so cute. Oh, Garuda. Birdie. Are you a birdie? Can you tell us you're a birdie? Oh!
They weren't sure whether they'd sing an opera or a musical, and either way, they were mixed on it. Still, they liked Brown
Birdie.
and Duncan, who played Porgy, so the company headed out on tour, a sometimes rocky tour, when Brown discovered that they'd been booked into a segregated auditorium in the nation's capital. She flat out refused to perform there. Duncan backed her, backed down, and for that 1 week,
Scroochy.
Black
Scroochy, Scroochy.
together at Washington's National Theater.
Birdie. Birdie.